Two-way texting with Easy Texting. To initiate a new text conversation, click Create, then One-on-One Chat. This will take you to the inbox with a new message window that displays on the right. Enter the phone number you'd like to text, or search for a specific contact by entering their name in the search bar. Then write your message. If you have any questions about how to add or manage your contacts and their information, click on the iCard in the top right to view our How to Import Contacts video. You can personalize your message, access templates with responses to common questions, or add an image or emoji to your message. When your message is ready to go, hit Enter or click Send. If the contact replies, you'll be alerted via the red message icon beside Inbox. You can also enable the message forwarding feature to notify yourself via email and/or text. From the profile icon, click My Account, and then on Settings. Click the toggle for message forwarding. Then enter your contact information. Email forwarding is free, but text notifications will use your messaging credits. The two-way texting feature can also be used to reply to inbound messages you may receive after sending a group message or one-on-one chat. To view an inbound message, navigate to the inbox. From here, you can see a comprehensive list of your conversations sorted by date and time. Simply click on a message to view your messaging history and engage in a conversation. You can click the filter icon to configure your inbox preferences. If your account has multiple textable numbers, you can filter by number. You can also filter by read status and use the toggles to determine the types of messages you'd like to see in the inbox. Congrats! You've had a text conversation using Easy Texting.